Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put README file in your GitHub project for an individual project. Here, I'm showing it for customer satisfaction prediction. That is, in my GitHub, I have project called customer satisfaction prediction. For this project, I'm going to write README file. So I have gave all the details of this project to my ChatGPT, that is to provide all the details regarding my project where I have developed app.py, which I have converted into image using Docker file, and I have developed with initially Python notebook, that is Jupyter notebook. Here if you come and see, I perform certain operations of EDA in this untitled file which is of Jupyter notebook. Let us wait until this opens. It is taking little too longer time. That's fine. We'll go with app.py. Here you can see what are all the EDA operations I have performed and modules with streamlets I have mentioned over here. And also this main.ipynb is the main file of my Jupyter notebook. Let us check this. As it's a large file, it's taking little time to load. Let us wait for a few more minutes. This is the requirement text file where I have installed all the requirement.txt, and gitignore file where I have removed necessary PDFs and documents which are related to this projects, and also the PyCache which will be in my system. I have removed it as it will be more complex to upload into GitHub. And this is Docker file which I have used to convert it as image. So I think it's taking too longer. Let's see the code. You can see the code what I have performed in this EDA operation. Okay, so this is the project. So I have given every single detail to my ChatGPT to provide this project details. Just give me README file of your project details completely and provide me with the README code which I need to copy paste to my GitHub repo. If you just give me, it has provided me certain code. Here you can see, just copy this and push commit changes. Once you enter commit changes, now you can see the README file is absolutely so clean where you can check all the details of your project. This made one to understand your project so clearly and download it and use it so clearly. Here you can see initially I have given project highlights, problem statement of this project, dataset overview, tech stack, exploratory data analysis, machine learning pipelines, what I have done for this project, and streamlight application pages, what are all the modules I have in this project and how to run this project. Here this is the major step where you're gonna be use this. First you're going to clone the repository, install dependencies, run streamlight. Then this is the project structure what you have to follow before running this project, results and insights and future enhancement, and you can go with the other links. These are all the kind of codes. It is nothing but an HTML code. If I just click on edit here, you can see this is an HTML code with slight changes in the designing. For heading I have used this asterisk key, and for small little heading I have used this double asterisk key. So these are all the content completely prepared by ChatGPT. If I want to make any changes, let us see. If I press dot here, it will ask you for commit changes. If I click this commit changes, here you will be getting commit message. The commit message is something like you have to enter the message. Let us say I'll say I made changes with project highlights. this is commit message, and you can, if you want to extend this message, you can enter as project highlights section is changed because of necessary needs in the description. If you provide clear idea, your team member who you are working with will be more understandable by this commits and project change over here. If I mention commit changes, the changes would be committed. Okay, here you can see the commit messages about readme and what are all the changes which I have made particularly to this project. So this is how you can make this. Columns and rows are from the GitHub code, where it had told to mention the columns and rows in your GitHub file. If you want to preview this, you can see here. You can see here, this is the text stack where you have mentioned this as columns and rows. You can perform many certain operations with the readme file according to your wish, to your change. This could be done very easily. So this is how you do, guys. So you have to learn how to use this, as it is more necessary for a project change. Here in code you will get two links, that is, one is HTTP of your project and SSH of your project. So whichever the link you can use, you should work with comfortably. The HTTPS is the main link which enters as git at the end, and SSH link, you have to have public key to use this SSH key. I'll put the complete details of this in further video, like how to use this image in AWS cloud, that how to push this or how to publish this project into your AWS, and also working with Kubernetes. All the videos I'm going to put in the future video. Let us see. Stay tuned for more updates on DevOps, guys. So this is it about video, guys. Just check out what to do, and please put a comment about doubts and projects, what you want. I'll share more project ideas and machine learning project to build. So this is it about your video, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.